So here we are going to discuss component parts of centrifugal pump. You can just see here there is a water body which is known as sump, and there is a pipe which is taking the water from the sump, which is known as suction pipe. Here there is, it enters at the center of the impeller, which is known as eye of the impeller. So there it is. So not to confuse, this pipe has been shown slightly on the sides. Actually it goes inside there at the center. Then there will be impeller which will be rotating the liquid. The liquid is confined into casing, and ultimately it gets into delivery pipe, and then it will be pushed up. So we got mainly impeller, casing, suction pipe, and then delivery pipe. These are the main parts of the centrifugal pump. So by definition, what is an impeller? It is a wheel with backward curved blades or vanes. So what is meant by backward curved vanes? See, if you look at the figure over here or there, the vanes, you feel that are they pushing the liquid or not? So actually this is the correct figure where the water will be thrown out with energy. So they are not actually pushing, they will be throwing out. That's why it is backward curved blade. So rotation is this way. So the vanes are backward, right? So that is the meaning. So it is mounted, means the vanes are mounted on, impeller is mounted on a shaft, and it is supplied with electrical energy for rotation. To give you a bit of an idea about the impeller, this figure will be of help. So there are fins which will be rotating on a shaft. Now there are classification of impellers: closed or shrouded, semi-open, and open. So here there are figures to explain the same thing. Now if you look at this, there are two plates between which the fins are there. So this is known as closed or shrouded impeller. The sketch will be like this. Here actually the plates are these thickened lines, will be telling you the upper and lower plates. Here in this, the plates are white ones which are straight. The fins will be doing the work. Now if you remove one of the plates and then only have one plate at the bottom and fins, then it will be semi-open type. And if you remove both the plates, only have fins attached to the central shaft, then it will be open type. So there are three types of impellers: closed, open, and then semi-open. Next is casing. It is airtight chamber surrounding the impeller. There are again different types: volute casing with vortex chamber, and then diffusing chamber. So the main part is this blue one, which will be holding the liquid and pushing it up, is known as casing. It's an airtight chamber because when the impeller rotates, it will be developing a suction pressure which will be sucking the liquid over here, and then when it is thrown out, it will be pushing with a lot of pressure. The fluid goes up. So that is casing. Then we have a suction pipe which will be taking the water from the sump to the center of impeller, eye of an impeller, and then it will be thrown out and then there will be a delivery pipe. So what are the advantages of centrifugal pump? They have high discharge capacity. They can pump highly viscous liquids like muddy water, sewage, paper pulp, concrete, ore, and soil, even when it is mixed with the water. Maintenance cost is comparatively quite less, and no danger of cavitation as far as centrifugal pumps are concerned. So thank you. Let's stop here.